What's old is new again, and you'll see that in this refined vintage collection from Pioneer Imports and Wholesale for a couple of reasons. You know, those of us who've been in the business for a long time, this vintage pink used to be mauve, and now it's brought back in just a little bit lighter shade. Of course, the sage and the parchment are great colors, but what really is reminiscent of years ago is the pampas grass. Love the pampas grass then, and it's back, and we're going to just embrace it and love it. You're seeing it everywhere, and they have a great selection of it here at Pioneer. I am so excited to show you that. We're just going to create a design that will just be a nice centerpiece, really featuring the pampas grass in the center. So let's look at that. And for those of you who haven't used the grasses in the past, remember to take the back side of your knife and just gently run your knife on that to make it so these aren't quite so spiky. It just softens them a little bit. You can actually curl them a lot. You know, if you want, you can make them really curly, but that's not what we want in this vintage look. We just want it to just not be quite so high and stiff. You know, more of a natural look as it's blowing in the wind. And there you have it, a beautiful arrangement using the refined vintage collection from Pioneer.